educational video on density. Density. What is, okay, I'm not going to go into what is density. Everyone always starts off with what is physics or what is wallpaper. You probably have a reasonable idea of what density is. But what I remember from my exams was this lovely triangle. And this here triangle tells you that m over v times, it's a bunch of numbers. And basically, in the exam they ask you to get D, and then you do some rigmarole here. Problem with this is that when you actually go into the exam, and your brain resembles something like my brain, and you try and remember which letters go where in the triangle, then all of a sudden it switches around to something like this, and then my head kind of thinks, oh, hang on a second, or was it this one? And then it's over. Alright. Forget all that. What I need to do is think of a better way of doing this. What can I do? What's that? I'm gonna breakfast. What's my marker? Forget all the math stuff. Right. Think of something that you can grab and, you know, get your head around and into. So, because I'm eating my breakfast, I'm going to use my lovely sandwiches to explain density. No, if I start eating these, I'll mumble. Okay, so say I have my box because I'm running late and I've got to go. I can fit like a sandwich in, maybe. Okay, so you're just kind of pushing it. But wait a second. I'm sure you've all done it. Of course, if you can't fit it into your box, right now I can fit two, so 1 second. Ugh. So what I'm doing here is I'm making it more dense, decreasing the volume, and it's going to be a very squishy sandwich. Ugh. See how many sandwiches I can fit in here. 8 sandwiches in one tiny box. Super dense. As in, I can't, oh god. There it is. Alright. Thought it'd make a bigger noise. Didn't. Anyway. So, in the future, when you're thinking of density and we're trying to remember the formula for it, don't think of like triangles. Just think of sandwiches. So, in this case we had the amount of sandwiches, the density of those sandwiches was equal to, well, the amount of kind of sandwiches, let's say, extra sandwiches in the box. Okay. Or, I guess we could say that's equal to the amount of stuff, or, you know, mass, divided by the volume of the box. So, that's it. It's really just mass divided by volume. So don't think of triangles, just think of sandwiches. And, or pizza, you can stuff pizza. You can stuff mostly anything to a box. Some things are more compressible than others. Don't try and put water in. Water doesn't tend to squish very well. What else? Anything about density I want to talk about? No, I think I'm done. That was unexpected.